Hi there, this is our 6256 lathe. This model's got a really good solid base on them, quite rigid. It's in good condition and good working order. I'll start from the back. The back's nice and tidy. It's got a late model isolation switch there. Looks good under here. Got your spindle jog, your emergency stop and your coolant. I can turn that on now. That's the coolant pump running. I haven't got any fluid in it. A halogen light there, that's working. Travelling steady. Emergency brake. Fixed steady. Tailstock. Tailstock's nice to move in that quill. And that lock's working. Splash guard looks good. Right hand carriage wheel, that's moving nicely. So is the cross slide. Not much movement in that. Compound slide feels nice. A little bit of movement. Standard tool post on it. I'll run you through the, so that's the jog on it. And reverse. Neutral, forward. I'll run you through the feeds on it. Let's engage the carriage coming towards me and engage the cross slide. So those are the two actions there. Lead screw, carriage is coming towards me, stop and engaged, and that's engaging nicely. The direction here, so that's the other direction for your lead screw, so if I engage that, the carriage will go that way, which it is. And speed ranges for here, that's quite fast, that one, slower. And then here's your really fast, sorry, I've slowed that down on the feeds now. So that's your feeds, your direction, etc. Take you through the gear range, just bring that a bit closer. So we are in low range X. So that was 120 RPM, that's 170, 80, and I'll take you to Y range, so that'll be 25, 55, 35, and I'll put it into high range. High range Y will be 350, 525, 235. Now I'll put you into X range, and that'll be 700. 1600. That's its fastest speed. And one more to show you, which is 1100. That's emergency brake. So that's probably it. There it is, and yeah, it's in good working order. One thing I forgot to mention is there is a little bit of beadwear that you can see and feel just up the front here on the bed. It's not too bad, but there is some beadwear there.